Well, it's 11 o'clock, and I was out here working on the truck, and I noticed, I looked back here looking for something, and the water heater's leaking. It looks like it's been leaking a pretty good while, and I was wondering where all the mosquitoes are coming from in the garage. Well, I found where they're coming from. Yeah, there's mosquitoes all in here. So I'm going to fix this little problem. I'm going to pull this off. Looks like the element's leaking around the seal. I hope it's just the element is corroded or something. But it might be time for a new water heater if I can't patch this thing up. I also noticed it was smelling funky in here. I was like, man, what's going on in the garage? It's this water and all those skeeters are just swarming around here. So we're going to make their day here and turn on the shop vac. Well, that's been leaking. I need to oil that motor. Yeah, I need to fix that. Yeah, that needs a little love. So yeah, that's been leaking for a while because that smells like sewer. And on the back side here, it's all black, like black moldy, sewery looking crap. Yeah. So I was wondering, sit out here working on the truck, mosquitoes are always biting me. I'm like, where the hell are these coming from? How are they getting in the garage so quick? They're breeding in the garage. Well, I'm going to take this little plate off here, and I'm sure it's coming right out of the heating element. So I'll show you that here in a second. Yeah, this is not good. So this has been leaking a while. Look at that. All the rust there. And look at this. All around there. So at this point, if I touch the thing as far as turn it, there's a good chance that whole all those threads are rusted. So, yeah, if it ain't one thing, it's 20, right? Oh, man. That sucks. So it's like rust is the theme here lately. Yeah, it's definitely coming around. Looks like it's leaking right around that element. Lame. So at this point, there's probably a good chance that I'm going to go get a new water heater tomorrow. So you can see right there, it's pretty rough, and this next picture is going to show that it's 17 years old, so it was manufactured in 2005. So there's a good chance I'm going to live stream tomorrow me getting a new water heater. Love you all. See you in the morning.